I'm Jamie Cyphers, host of Bass West USA TV. Yeah, you know, for me, I love the state of Texas. I get to come down 3-4 times a year, spend about a week, and I've been looking forward to this all spring. Thought we'd come out to Lake Fork, arguably one of the best lakes in the entire United States, possibly the best big bass factory in the United States. You know, I was pretty excited to come down here and fish with Lisa Craig. Fish a lot. I've known her for now probably half a dozen years. What she does in the community, how she represents the sport and all the ladies across America is just amazing. She's just a wonderful lady, and she educates the public so well, and she really brings fishing into the hands of so many people. It's really amazing what she does. And I'll tell you what too, she can flat out fish.
Well, Lake Fork is world famous for its fishery. The water is a reservoir for the Dallas residents, but it's used as a lake for anglers. It's not really your sportsman lake for, say, water sports, but it's a fishing lake. We're fishing for some big bass. We're on Lake Fork, and why fish for anything else?
Donkeys, huh? Say it with me.
Donkeys. 85% of our fish are 7 pounds. 15 out of our 25 big bass have come off of this lake for the state of Texas.
The history, right?
Yeah.
The history of the top 25.
History of the top 25.
This is a bass factory.
Bass factory, big fish factory. What's incredible is this lake's top 15 out of the 25 of history. The smallest weight for that group is 16.6.
That's amazing.
Isn't that crazy? And our largest is 18.18, so that's some big fish. There's big fish in this water.